Welcome back, guys. In today's video I will show you the quickest way how you can start e-commerce store absolutely free, and additionally how you can drive free traffic to it. Let's get started. Now, if you have been on this channel before, you might guess that the quickest way to start e-commerce store is by using Google Sites. So I have opened here some of the pages, some of the stores that I have previously created as video tutorials by using Google Sites only. Okay, so here is one of them, and then here is some more product pages, and that's how the Google Sites editor looks like. So essentially everything you can do on Google Sites is drag and drop blocks that you can then access from this menu right here. So you can insert your text, your images, you can add more pages to your site, select your theme, or even do your own custom theme. In this video I will not going to go into details too much of how to design your site. I have covered that in the previous videos on this channel, including how you can also set up payments, so not only to display your product but obviously for your e-commerce store to fully function you can also set up payments on Google Sites, and there are several options how you can do it. But as I said, everything on Google Sites are more like drag and drop options right here, and as you can see, everything that you need for your e-commerce store to display your products can be done by using a Google Site. So if we quickly go back to editor, so the first thing that we usually do to start building the site would be selecting the theme, and there are some themes that Google already is giving you, and theme essentially means the color combinations and the font combinations that will be used across on your site and all of the pages. Okay, and you can also do your custom theme by selecting your own custom color themes combinations here and the fonts that you would like to assign to your site. Then after that, if you head back on the pages, you can see how you can add pages from this menu right here. You can add new links, new menu sections, and again, as I said, I have explained that more into details in other videos in this channel. And then if we go on the main tab right here on the insert, that's where you can use the content blocks and you can insert different elements, including image carousels that can be used as sliders of your site, buttons, social links, placeholders, and so on. Okay, and you can also easily access Google Drive and insert documents and things that you have saved on your drive into your site as well. So for further settings, you can come up right here, and then you can also set up your navigation look. You can add your branding images such as your logos and favicons. You can also link this site to your Google Analytics, and also include announcement banner on the top of the page if you would like to. So that's pretty much it, and once you have done, you would need to publish your site, and then your site is live and everyone on the web can view it. So now, once you have set up your site, you have set up your payments, how do you drive free traffic? Well, that's where the platform called Workity.com comes into place. So if we head on Workity.com, you can see it's a classified ads site where you can then post your free ads. And you can post free ads to your product, you can post free ads straight to your website as in general. So there are options how you can do that, and you can add every ad you can see here. You can add a link, whether that is to your specific product page or to your website, and that's all free. And this site users can then find your product, your website link, and just make purchases on your site. So from here now, to get started, we have to head on the top right corner right here and click on sign up. From sign up, you can sign up by using your first last name, your email address, your password, and then simply click on sign up. Or alternatively, you can also use Facebook or Google sign up option right here. Once you are signed up, you can then start posting your ads. You can see these are the main categories and subcategories, and if you're not sure where your ad belongs, you can always go for category called for sale and then select some subcategory on it. So to get started to post ad, you click on the post free ad right here. If you would like to add your company profile, you can also do that and click on add company, or simply click on start selling, or also click on a post deal. If your e-commerce store or your website runs some promotions and deals, you can also post it into this category. Now, so let's click on the post free ad. So from here you would select the main category. So as I said, if you're not sure, you can simply go for a sale and then click on continue, and then you are able to select subcategory. Okay, and we can also just simply scroll down here and select other stuff. So the ad posting form will depend based on the category and subcategory you have selected. Either way, you will always have options to add titles, descriptions, and keywords, and you can also set up your location. Okay, and you can also display your location on the map. That's all optional if you would like to do so. Now that you have place for entering your description and providing more details about your business and your products are right here, including the keywords that you would like to target and the keywords that people can search on search engines as well and find your ad on this platform. Then you can upload your images here. You can also link your YouTube videos if you have any. Now this section is the one where you would add your link to your e-commerce store or some specific product pages. And once you have added your link, you can choose the button text. So options right here are for you to choose whether you want to, display like buy now, visit my website, there are contact us, visit shop, and so on. So you just select one of them that you think it fits better for your product. So for example, I'm gonna just click on visit shop if I'm linking my entire e-commerce store. Click on confirm and you will see how the button on your ad will look like. Next section is entirely optional. So these are paid features you can use for your ads to either feature them on the homepage on category, or you can also mark them as urgent. So this will give a boost to your ad. It will be displayed on the top of the either homepage or category, and also will have a tiny banner on the top of it. So it's just for your ad to stand a bit more, but as I said, that is entirely optional. So if you click on the select duration, you can then select for how long you want to feature your ad, and you will see how much it will cost you. Obviously, the longer duration you take, the less you will be paying per day. Now, if you haven't selected any of these options, the total price is free, and you can simply click on post your ad. So once you have posted your ads, you can assess your profile from top right here, and then you can manage your ads from this section right here, and you can also add more. Sold ads and purchases will be the ads that you have either purchased by submitting offer to the sellers, and the sold ones will be where you have received offers, and the sold ones will be with the ones you have received offers from the sellers. And then you can manage all your ads from this tab right here. You can also edit your profile by clicking right here. You can add your profile picture, you can add your banner, and provide more information about yourself. So you can use Workity site to post your free ads. You can post deals if your e-commerce running any promotions. You can add your company profile. You can also post some job vacations if you are recruiting for your company, for your e-commerce store, and find some freelancing services that perhaps you can employ in your business. So there are lots of things going on here in Workity, and everything is free. Signing up is straightforward, as you just saw, and this is a great platform. I'm not sure how long it will stay for free, but right now it's brand new and accessible to everyone. I hope you enjoyed this video. If so, do give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.